Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do this makeup look right here. A nice gold glitter, purple glitter, a little bit of glitter on the crease, you know, breaking the rules. But are there really rules to makeup? In my personal, humble opinion, no, there really isn't. It's not that there's rules to makeup. Again, my opinion. I feel like it's not that there's rules to makeup, but it's more like there are better ways and better techniques to putting on makeup. There's a difference. Alright, so yeah, a ton of glitter on the eyes, on the face, and this is the makeup look we got going on. So if you want to know how to get this purple and gold glitter, just beautiful makeup look, then sit tight, don't go anywhere. Without further ado, let's get started. So the brows are done, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer to act as a primer right on top of my eyes, like so. So for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with actually two palettes. Both by BH Cosmetics. One is the Aurora Lights palette, and the other one is the Glam Reflection palette. So those colors right there. And then the Aurora Lights palette is you guys, I went ahead and finished up my face, and this is the results that I got. I did add a little bit of, like, you know, blue eyeshadow on the bottom, and, you know, I kind of like made up this look as I went along. Sometimes I do plan out my looks, other times I'm just like, let me turn on the camera and see what I can create. And this was just one of those moments where I'm just like, you know, let me turn on the camera and see what I can create. So a little bit of gold and purple eyeshadow color going on here. I think it's a very pretty and beautiful combination. And for my lips, I mean, you guys know, if you watch my video throughout, then you'll know what I used. But just in case, I did use the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Collection lip gloss. This one is in the shade Peach Tea. So that is on my lips, and yeah, so this is the final look, guys. Of course, I set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and this is the look for today. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different in my editing style, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, please join the Kwak fam by clicking subscribe down below and tap on that notification bell. That way, every time I upload, you are notified. And yeah, that's it, guys. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!